To load an alphabet, you will find there are 3 sizes of alphabet on your USB stick, and they hide down here in the folder called Fonts. Since this is in alphabetical order, scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the folder. Sometimes that folder is called Fonter, so you're in the right place if you find that. Touch OK, and then you have Claritin 12, 20, and 30. Those are sizes in millimeters, and in the back of your book, you actually have those sizes shown in actual size here. So Claritin 12 is going to be a smaller size. You have upper and lower case. Let's go ahead. We'll pick Claritin 20, and then we'll go ahead and see what we get to. On this screen, you have capital letters, some umlaut type letters for European letters, a dash and a space. That's your space down here. And you'll use your arrows to go ahead and select each letter as you want them. So if I go ahead and pick a V for Viking, touch OK, then if I want to switch to lowercase, that's what this button does. You see it has a capital A, a lowercase a, and a number 1. Touch that one time, and you'll notice your letters change. If you touch it again, you'll get to where your numbers and symbols will be. I'm going to touch it a third time, get back to capital letters, and back to lowercase letters. So just continue spelling out my word. I can go ahead and do V-I-K, okay, I, okay, N, okay. Now if you make a mistake, you can just push clear, and that will delete your last letter that you are put in there, and G. So once you're here, what you want to do is touch Program. That's the key. People always go, now what? Program, or P-R-O-G, that will bring you to your screen. Now to stitch this out, first thing to do, go ahead and change your hoop size, and that way we can change it to the 360 by 200 hoop we have on the machine today. Arrow to the right, pick OK for the very first one, and then that will let us move this design around a lot more. So we have the full range of the whole hoop. We can move it all the way to the top part. Remember, as you hold that arrow down, you will be able to move it further. And then when you get to the top, it kind of beeps at you. Touch Alt, and you're ready to sew. If you actually want to see where that's going to stitch before you do so, touch OK, and it will move your needle to all 4 corners of the design, and then back to the center. So if you're trying to center it over a mark that you have drawn on your fabric, you want to have the needle in the center before you do so. You're ready to stitch out your very first word.